Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk and I'm reaching out to the student body. Okay, students, a student just recently emailed me and wanted to know how to get the simulations going. So I thought I'd put something real short together and send it to you guys so you can look at simulations or how to do the simulations. Hopefully you'll review this video and you'll be in the know. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on view as a student, because I want it to shape up to where you as students will see it. So as you can see, you have this information here. Ideally, you wouldn't start this information until you actually read through the chapters. So please read through the chapters before you start doing this information. So I'm going to go ahead and click on simulation. Okay, as you can see, this is what will pop up when you get into the simulation phase. Now what you have to do is go right here and say launch and launch the actual simulation. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, as you can see now, here's the simulation. So to complete anything on here, I often tell my students, when there's something on here, I'm gonna make this real simple and easy. Right here you have what they call learning tools. Come down here where it says learning aids and click on that. You will see a menu pop up. Now that menu give you access to a multitude of how to learn how to do this work. Like for instance, you see read instructions here, but you also see the instructions down here that you should follow. But if you don't know, just come over here. One of the tools I tell students to use is the practice tool. If you click on that practice menu, it will go into the simulation and it will actually talk to you and tell you what to do. For instance, it says click on the file tab. I click on it, there you go. I go over here to the file tab, I click it, and there you go. If you don't understand, you can play it again. I'm gonna click here, play. Now you see it says click open, so I'm gonna go ahead and it outlines what you're supposed to do. So I'm gonna click there. I'm gonna come here and click browse, and then I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna double click on this file, and that is voila. Simple way to show you how to do this. And then it listed down here as you complete it. So students, take your time, go through here and utilize this menu bar to be able to learn how to use these applications. The simulations are nothing but applications that you'll use in your day-to-day life, especially working in any particular job that you work in. Try it out. Get back to me if you need some more help. But remember, I am here. So if you send me an email, I can put a short video log together. I'll send it to all of you. This is Professor Sistrunk.